people drive by our location yelling, "Save Bobby, save Bobby," and those type of things. Certainly a buzz around here. Finally, a decision that will be made tonight at 7:15 by Jeff Long, at least the announcement of that. Razorback practice just wrapping up without Bobby Petrino. Jeff Long seen last night at basketball practice, will be seen on the Bud Walton floor. It is not open to the public, but Jeff Long will be addressing the media at that time. What will we find out? Well, Jeff Long may announce that Bobby Petrino will be let go from the university. He may also announce that he's being retained by the university, kept around to coach another season, a season that has high expectations, even a national championship for the Hogs. So keeping him around would certainly keep that in check. And the last one, Bobby Petrino may come to the press conference and announce he's resigning from the university. That hasn't been brought up much. Jeff Long has really been the basic conversation topic as far as whether he'll vote whether to keep Bobby Petrino or not. So we'll see if Bobby Petrino resigns. Regardless, that has been the buzz around campus. It's been the buzz around Fayetteville and certainly the college football world as well. Jay Plyburn has been doing some research for us all afternoon long, and Jay, trying. It's certainly been mum's the word around these parts.
No doubt. Everyone is on pins and needles, anxiously awaiting this big decision that we've been waiting on for about a week now. Jeff Long, as he said, is looking into whether or not Petrino violated university policy, and that's the big question everyone is asking now. Will Petrino keep his job, or will he get fired? We've spoken to many people on campus and in Fayetteville this week. Some want him to keep his job. Others think he should be fired because of the allegations brought against him. So very back and forth. The investigation began last Thursday, and it continues today, but we're now finding out that we could know as early as tonight. In the meantime, Coach Petrino has been